Hi, my name's Michelle Griffiths and I'm the Head of Faculty for A-Levels and Skills. I spent 16 years in a secondary school setting where I was a teacher of French and I was a progress lead for Key Stage 4 and 5, and I moved to Pembrokeshire College then 3 years ago, working in a couple of different positions until I became the Head of Faculty. You know, I consider myself really lucky because I get to oversee such a breadth of qualifications and learners. Some of those learners are coming to us straight from school, others have maybe taken some time out, life has got in their way, etc. But they come back to complete those all-important A-levels. So I'm really proud that we've got such a breadth of offer. We get those A-level learners who are looking at those STEM routes, A-level learners who are looking at humanities or the creatives. But as a group, they all have their different uniqueness which make them so special. What's really pleasing are the ways in which our learners go on to those post-18 destinations, whether that's university, apprenticeships or employment, or sometimes it's just a little bit of time out. What is really pleasing though is that we get such a huge group of our alumni students who come back to us for that support, which Pembrokeshire College can offer them right the way through that A-level journey. So there is the obvious academic support. Again, those lecturers who are highly qualified, experts in their subjects, who are solely delivering A-levels, so they really do live and breathe their subjects. But outside of that academic support, every A-level learner has a pastoral coach who they see weekly for a group tutorial, and then every 2 to 3 weeks for a one-to-one, where they really have those small discussions around academic progress, well-being, etc. As well as that, we're really blessed that we have a fantastic learning coach within the faculty, Lynn Ward, who supports learners with all of their qualifications, etc., including the Advanced Skills Baccalaureate Wales, which is hugely important for our A-level learners. And then obviously we've got our faculty support team as well. So our faculty support team, whilst they are made up of people like me who are qualified teachers, we don't actually teach. So we are here on hand all hours of the day with an open door policy within our office to guide any learners through any challenging times, celebrations, but that support is there right the way through the college day and beyond. So our A-level learners are really fortunate in the sense that in terms of communal facilities, they have access to everything that a full-time learner would have within college. But it really depends on the A-levels which learners are following. So for example, our scientists have state-of-the-art laboratories with a prep room, etc. They can also undertake paid work experience within those prep rooms to support their studies. If you are a media learner, photography learner, music learner, then you have access to those workshops in which you can, engage with state-of-the-art technology like the Mac Suite, the instruments, etc. And then we've just got our normal, well-resourced classrooms where our teachers deliver lecture-style lessons, and they can range from really small groups, one-to-ones, up into those groups of, say, 20 psychology learners. But within every classroom, you can expect to find those qualified lecturers who are there to best support your studies. So I think the key thing is just that breadth of choice. And again, you can be quite an independent person, it's that time to break away from friends, etc., and really go with the subject choices that you're interested in. We truly believe that we've mapped those choices out so that, again, those learners can follow bespoke pathways then that lead to those future destinations. So we are really proud of our success rates when it comes to learners accessing higher education, and that's whether it's higher education within Pembrokeshire College itself or whether that's to the most aspirational courses at Oxbridge. Whatever those choices are, it does lead to those successful pathways for learners.